how is technology, particularly AI, transforming the retail landscape, and what role does Wayfair play in this transformation?
Yes, I think AI is being used to kind of help people be more productive, right?
Right.
Generally speaking. So I think there's a whole, application on the, making sure that there's efficiency in your processes, there's, productivity in your processes. There's that one big aspect of it. And I think people are leveraging that in different ways. We're certainly leveraging that inside of, so I think we're empowering every employee to kind of use the latest AI tools, or at least sort of educate themselves in like how to use these tools so that they can be a lot more productive. Because I think that's it's a really handy tool that you can use to kind of really boost your productivity and also like the quality of your output, right? And so there's that. That's one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is also on the customer experience side, like things like Muse, Decorify, that's just even the simple search experience on Wayfair, right? Even that is sort of, there's a ton of AI tech that gets into that makes it a lot more just to understand what somebody's trying to say, right? Or somebody's trying to describe. Using like another example is you can sort of try to describe a really ornate coffee table that you're looking for, that you found in your friend's home, or like you saw it in a hotel somewhere, let's say, right? And instead of asking you to describe it, just take a picture and then upload that, and we'll show you things that match that, the same style, or the same, or maybe you find the exact same product, right? So that's all like AI. So the customer experience is sort of like is being transformed through AI. And of course, on the you think of the supply chain side and delivery side, like there's a ton of like technologies being used to make sure the warehouses are being run effectively, and space is being used effectively. There's a lot of like, I'd say like computer vision is like a really interesting. So like, without getting into too much technical detail, you could, if you think of like video camera feeds and things like that in that we have in warehouses, you can understand if a space is free or is occupied. So simple things like that you can use that and actually make your space more efficient. Robotics is another big one in the warehouses, where you can use robotics to kind of move products more effectively than humans can. And so which makes sense. So the human can sort of like do something that's a lot more important. And so the landscape is definitely shifting in terms of like using AI as a sort of a productivity tool and sort of transforming the customer experience as well. So I mean, that's like the AI part of it for sure.